Hello, and thank you for visiting the channel. In this channel, you will find a lot of trainings in software development. We talk mostly about .NET Core, .NET 5, and Azure, but you will also find some trainings for game development in Unity 3D. So if this is your first time in the channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, remember, please go and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified of the new trainings. There are a lot of things that we have been talking over the past weeks, months, and even years. And for example, one of the latest videos is about the introduction to C# source generators, and you will also find things like the Blazor restaurant, which is a 100% open source project in order to train people in Blazor. But it is also designed in a way to be useful for entrepreneurs or business owners, uh, restaurant owners, to have a system to help them manage their products and their sales and deliveries, right? Uh, we have some trainings on how to create a video portal with Blazor and Azure. We have some .NET Core tutorials. We have Azure tutorials. We have some high quality software development tutorials in there. We have this is a playlist. This is in Spanish, and that's for creating a 2D platform video game in Unity 3D, in Unity. And you will find a lot of other trainings in the channel. So yeah, please remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and also share the channel so we can get more subscribers. Let us know in the discussions things that you would like to learn. Actually, we are recently learning how to use the discussions in YouTube channel. Haven't really used it a lot, but let us know. We added here a question uh, asking you about your experience in .NET, Azure, Blazor, and Power BI, and Unity 3D. Right? Question is in Spanish, but if you understand it, and even if you don't, you can reply there in English or in Spanish. It doesn't matter. Please let us know. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you very much.